So guys, I don't have my Rolex now. All I have is my Prada necklace. 35k, 35k, 35k.
Cheap.
That's not cheap. This is 35k.
Thermal status, light throttling.
So we are actually going to be launching our first private jet.
The boy's a liar. He doesn't see it.
Layla and Kesar's established company.
So
next week we are flying to Germany, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited that we're flying to Germany. I'm so excited that we're flying to Germany, Paris, and Korea, South Korea. Last week we actually went to Dubai.
The girl's a liar. The girl's a liar.
Guys, so we will actually be ready because like this is not plastic. This is gold actually. It's actually gold coated in plastic, but like you won't notice the difference.
You know, my name is poor.
How?
Can you say they must support us?
They must. We're not poor. I literally told them we have 5 mentions.
Really?
Yeah. Don't do them.
No.
You do. It's all. You didn't know about it because we left this one mention. Now we didn't know we have 5. Now they just
And if you have us at the mansion,
they have to support us because like, it's business. This is how business works.
so you make nothing poor.
I don't know making you poor.
Because you are.
We're not poor.
They
We're
didn't
ready.
say that they must support us and we need the money, but we don't.
So what must I say? So what must I say? You try to promote this thing, but like you try to promote this, but like you're not even allowed. Must I then say?
They don't need to buy it.
Please
They
don't buy it.
They don't need to buy it if they want to buy it.
If they don't want it, yeah. If you want it, you want it. But like your support will also do good.
It's only 30 rand.
So 30 rand, guys. Cheap, but a buy.
Listen. Look what you said.
So.
Anyways, but our link is not in our description. Don't know what is that, but anyways, but as you know, it is store.in.a.cool.place. And the other one is GXLLMSCRUDTUG.com trace cookies. So let's buy the uneatable eatables. If you don't want to, don't buy it.